In this video, we are going to be reviewing this pressure washer from the company called Dylect. So let's get started. Now, before we get to washing our car, we'll take a look at all the components of the pressure washer. So this is the box of the pressure washer. This is what everything came in. Now in the box we have this battery. We get a single battery which is supposed to be 6500 mAh, which will give you around 15 minutes of runtime. Then we get the soap bottle. I've already filled a bit of shampoo. I'll be filling it up to the top before washing the car. So this is to spray foam on your car. This is the attachment which goes into the gun, and this is the gun itself. So I've already connected the pipe here, not very long but long enough. And this is the filter which goes inside the bucket. This is connected to the other end of the pipe. So this goes into the gun and you have to push it and then rotate it, and then you can rotate this to adjust the spray angle, as you can see. But one thing which I didn't like about this gun is that once you remove this, like this is just for regular water, and when you attach this soap spray bottle, there is no way for you to control the angle at which the foam is being dispensed. So it'll just come out from here. It's not a sharp angle, but it's not a very shallow angle either. Now seeing the gun itself, it's of very good quality. When you hold it in your hand, you won't feel that it's made of cheap quality at all. And there's a safety button here, so you push it off to one side to activate it so that the trigger can be pulled. Basically acts as a safety mechanism so that you don't accidentally run the motor. The battery just attaches right here, and to charge the battery we get a charger in the box, and you have to plug it in right here. You can see the battery level right here, so it's full. Now we'll go down and we'll wash our XUV. Now before we go down, I just want to tell you we are going to be using this. This is the Motor Octane Snow Foam Car and Bike Shampoo. So as you can see, the car is extremely dirty, and even the sunroof, if you can see, is absolutely filthy. We are going to give this car a good wash. Now I'm going to start cleaning the XUV 7XO. So we are starting with now I'll press the button. You can see it takes a few seconds for the water to enter the system of the gun, and after that the water starts spraying out. The pressure of the gun is good and it is taking off most of the debris. We'll just put the wipers up here. The wipers of this car look a bit different from regular cars. Now the water flow rate is approximately 3.5 liters per minute at maximum capacity, and with this I'm able to easily wash the top of the car. I just wanted to take a look at the sort of stains like bird droppings that this pressure washer is able to remove. There are some bird droppings on the car and they've been here since a few days. So let's see how easily the pressure washer cleans it. Now we'll be washing the back of the car. So it's very dirty, as you can see. There are many bird droppings also, so we'll try to get it out just so that you can see a closer look. You can see it's extremely dirty, and if you try to wipe this with a dry cloth, it just won't come off. It's that stubborn. Now we're going to attach the foam dispenser. So all you got to do is just unscrew this just like this, and we'll just attach this. This is the snow foam shampoo bottle. Let's see how well it foams. So you can see that the foam has started coming, but there's some problem in the flow of this. Sometimes a lot of foam is coming, but later after I finished using this, I found out that we aren't supposed to put the concentrate directly inside the foam, the soap bottle. We are supposed to dilute it with some water, so it's my mistake. But even with the concentrate, it worked pretty well and I was able to wash the car, but unfortunately I used my entire bottle of soap. Now I'm adding some more soap into the soap bottle. Also, there's no way to regulate how much soap is being used. You just have to adjust its concentration in water. So as you can see now, all my soap is over, and this will just have to do now. After this, we'll wash it with water. I'm on my third bucket of water now. Now, as you can see, with 2 bottles of soap, we have successfully finished soaping the car, if you may say. Soaping. Uh, Now we'll wash it with regular water. Now attaching the regular nozzle again. I've been using this for a long time. Checking the battery is still showing full, so I'm not sure how much battery is left, but I'll just finish up fast now. Don't want to be stuck without battery. So this is our third bucket of water. So this can give you an estimate on how much battery you get. So 3 buckets of water easily. Now after a pretty long time, after 4 buckets of water, almost four, finally this pump, the pressure washer stopped. Oh, it started now again. But basically the battery is dead now. So yeah, the battery lasts a very long time. If you have a huge car, then maybe you might have to, just calculate the time till your battery runs out. But otherwise, you'll have no problem washing your car. So I think 15 minutes claimed run time is true, at least when your pump is new. Now I'll just wipe the car dry. So now we'll just wipe it dry. Now before I end this video, I just want to tell you about my experience using the pressure washer. So it was feeling slightly heavy if you hold it above your shoulder level. So it is quite heavy and it uses water quite fast, but if you have a small car, it should wash it up in 1 or 1.5 bucket of water. Only one battery comes with this pressure washer and I couldn't find replacement batteries or additional batteries on Amazon. Also, it was very hot outside and took a long time to film this video, so I would appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe. And yeah, also as I was talking about the battery, it's 6500 mAh, so it lasts around 15-20 minutes and it takes 5 hours to charge. So if you run out of battery while washing your car, yeah, you're going to have to wash it with hand after that, unless you want to wait for half a day. Also, talking about the pressure of the pressure washer, it was very effective in cleaning all sorts of stains. There was no debris on the car that I needed to use my hand to remove, well, other than some leaves which were stuck in places which were very hard to reach. And other than that, even very tough stains on the car came off, and I was really impressed with the amount of pressure a cordless pressure washer was giving. So definitely this particular pressure washer has the best pressure on offer in all cordless pressure washers. The link is in the description if you want to buy it. Overall, I think this pressure washer is one of the best in the market, and there's barely any other cordless pressure washers which you can get of a good brand, and Dylect is a brand. I have a dash cam. Well, a few problems with that dash cam, but well, that's a topic for another video. If you want to see that video, then you can check out the video right here. Or if you want to see a video on how I applied PPF on my car, you can watch the video right here. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye and thanks for watching.